Tasty raw mango curry. Choose mangoes which has higher sour taste for best result. We just need only 20 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 raw mangoes cut into small pieces. Then add 5 sliced shallots, 3 green chilli slits. Then add half cup of water required to cook the mangoes. Also add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 6 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut, add 3 shallots, 3 garlics, 1 sprig of curry leaves, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half cup of water. Grind it nicely into a paste form. Now we can open the lid. Mango has cooked well. Add the grinded coconut paste to it. Wash the grinder jar with half cup of warm water and add to it. Also add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame. Now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Using coconut oil gives best taste. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. After 10 seconds, add 3 red chillies cut into halves, 8 sliced shallots, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute it for 5 minutes. Saute the shallots until it changes to light golden color. When the shallots change its color, switch off the flame. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and leave it for 15 minutes before stirring. After 15 minutes, we can open the lid and stir it well. Our tasty raw mango curry is ready. Choose mangoes which has higher sour taste for best result. We just need only 20 minutes for the preparation.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.